As expected, Infinix announced its new 040 series smartphones today with the 040 4G and 040 5G. Both phones feature curved AMOLED displays, 108 megapixel main cams, and 5,000 mAh batteries with 45-watt charging. The 5G variant gets a more capable chipset, wireless charging, and a few other differences. Infinix 040 4G/040 5G share the same 6.74-inch curved AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution, up to 1,300 nits peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. 040 refreshes at up to 120 Hz, while the 5G variant gets a 144 Hz panel. Both phones also come with a 50 megapixel front-facing camera, JN1 sensor, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Around the back, both phones offer a 108 megapixel main cam with Samsung's ISOCELL HM6 sensor, 1.67-inch, and OIS. It is joined by a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. 040 5G records up to 4K video at 60 FPS, while 040 tops out at 2K resolution at 30 FPS. Another interesting addition is the GoPro mode, which allows you to pair the 040 5G to a compatible GoPro camera and use the phone as a viewfinder and for controlling shooting modes directly from the camera app. The GoPro Quick app is also pre-installed on the phones. 040 5G features MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset at the helm with 12GB RAM and 256 512GB storage, while 040 is equipped with the Helio G100 alongside 8GB RAM and 256 512GB storage. Both phones boot XOS 4.5 based on Android 14 and get 3 years of security patches and 2 Android version updates. 040 features Wi-Fi 5 connectivity, while the 5G variant gets speedier Wi-Fi 6E support. Both are equipped with 5,000 mAh batteries and 45 watts wired charging. 040 5G also supports up to 20 watts wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. Infinix 040 4G comes in Misty Aqua, Blossom Glow, and Rock Black colors, while 040 5G comes in Violet Garden, Moving Titanium, and Rock Black. Infinix 040 4G starts at MYR $1,209 for the 8 256GB trim in Malaysia, while 040 5G is MYR $1,699 $395. Open sales in Malaysia are scheduled for September 8th.